For rule of law to exist, three conditions are essential. So the first point that you saw in case of your equality before law. So in equality, there are two parts to the law. So it is saying that the state shall not deny to any citizen of India what? One is your, what is the first part of your article number 14?
Equal before law.
Equality before law. So it is telling that it will not deny anybody equality before law. So whatever I explained until now, it is equality before law. The second part is equal protection of law. Okay, so the second part is equal protection of law. So what do we mean by equal protection of law? Tomorrow somebody will come arrest you and go away, like in China. North Korea is very, scary to a place to live, because if you violate law, you don't even know what kind of punishment he will give you. Okay, so he might kill you, he might forgive you. Once he was giving a speech, and their army general, the head of the army, when he was talking, he couldn't control, he yawned. So he took a yawn. So when he yawned, Kim noticed it, and next day, army general was launched with a missile. Okay, so he might have not done that to somebody, or maybe he hated him personally for it. So it is not that, just randomly some or the other type of punishment is given, and it will not tell, like court will not tell, like in movies they tell, no. So if there is some proof against one hero, he would have committed murder of 50 people or 100 people, and then he will tell in court that you did because they had killed your father or grandfather some 500 years ago. To take revenge you have taken, so you are given pardon, and we are not punishing you, and we are sending you away. That kind of judgment is never given. They follow your Bharatiya Nyaya Sannidhi. Earlier it was CRPC and IPC. So that CRPC and IPC codes are there. According to that only you have to give them punishment. Randomly, like for example now, say in case of stealing of your tiffin box, you take for example, okay, in one marriage hall they stole, say, all the roti. There were 1,500 people, so they had made 3,000 roti. 3,000 rotis are stolen from marriage hall. Can you file a police complaint in that? You cannot file a complaint, because this is not a crime only in India. Stealing food is never a crime in India. So you cannot punish them. You cannot punish them for that. So for an act which is declared crime in India, only then you can punish them. That is equal protection of law. Now, for example, a poor person is stealing food, so you'll punish them, and a rich person is stealing food, you will not punish them. That is not applicable in India. If it is a declared crime in India, no matter who does it, you are punished. Okay, no matter who does it, you are punished. But if it is not declared a crime in India, then you cannot be punished. You enjoy that also. Sometimes these police